In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language settings in Microsoft Word. If you write in more than one language, or you're switching your spelling and grammar tools to match a new document, updating Word's language settings helps your work look polished and consistent. We'll walk through where to find the setting, how to make your chosen language the priority for editing and proofing, and how to confirm the change so it applies going forward. Start in Microsoft Word with any document open. Look to the top left corner and click the File tab. This takes you to Word's Backstage view, where you can control the app's overall behavior rather than the content of a single document. Think of it as the command center for Word, saving, sharing, and in our case, changing settings that affect how Word checks your text. Next, find and click Options. It usually sits near the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. This opens the Word Options window, a dedicated place for fine-tuning the app. Don't worry, nothing changes just by opening it. You're simply getting access to the preferences that control features like spelling, grammar, and the interface language. Inside Word Options, click Language in the list on the left. You'll see the language controls arranged in a clear panel. This is where Word decides which languages it uses for authoring and proofing. Authoring languages are tied to your keyboard and input methods, while proofing tools handle things like spell check, grammar suggestions, and hyphenation. The order here matters because Word checks text based on your preferred language priority. Choose the language you want to use for writing and proofing from the list, then click Set as Preferred. By setting a language as preferred, you're telling Word to prioritize that language's rules whenever you create or edit content. This helps ensure that spelling suggestions, grammar recommendations, and autocorrect behave according to the conventions you expect. If multiple languages appear, the one you set as preferred will move to the top, and Word will focus on it first when evaluating your text. When you're happy with your selection, click OK to apply your changes and close the settings window. From now on, new documents and any content that follows the default language will use your preferred choice. You'll notice spell check and grammar tools aligning with that language's standards. If some documents already have a specific language set at the paragraph or style level, Word will respect those local settings, but your overall preference is now in place. That's it. Your language settings are updated, and you're ready to write with accurate tools tailored to your needs.